What's up, y'all? 420 RC Jones here. Someone told me recently, like, hey, you're not an ugly guy, you know, you should start showing your face more. Here I am. So today, got Kraton, you know, the one that I fixed, the one that I destroyed and fixed for him. Guess what? I ran it off camera and look what I did. I broke it again. Whatever. Just time for some more upgrades. But I got some ramps right now. I'm gonna take this thing out. I'm gonna bash it a little bit more. See if I can break something else. Let's go. Whatever. Let's just see how long this survives. Alright, so I got this thing. Usually have the ramp there or there. I'm gonna try it out down there. So I'm gonna try standing there. Let's see what kind of vantage point that's like. It's a little off kilter, but whatever. Ooh, rough one. Start with whatever. Ah. That RPM bumper held up. Yep. So far so good. A little bit of... So that's gonna stand here. So I'm gonna stand here. Oh! Whoa, was that a triple? Can't wait to see that footage. I'm gonna try to keep it closer to get some better shots here. Oh! That might even be too far here for it. Can't wait to see how this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah. Oops. Running this on 6S. In case I didn't mention that before. Jeez. Let's see how this shot looks. Not very smart, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Oh, that was. Oh, that was bad. Oh. Yeah. That was bad. What happened? Oh. We broke the shot. Oh, man. I saw that was a bad hit. Oh, down again. Crap. That was it. Okay. Time for some more upgrades. Roll of shame. Sorry, little buddy. You know what? We can't stop here. Let's see what happens. Don't try this at home, kids. That was stupid. Real stupid. Yeah. It was probably just a little shock piece. Now, oh boy, yeah. Why'd I do that? Did it again. Oh no. Oh no. I didn't see that. Oh no, this is gonna be a... Oh no. Here's the real destroyer of the Kraton. Why did I do that? Okay. That was fun. Alright guys. Yeah, I did it again. Sorry, buddy. Alright guys, I'm gonna fix it and get it back out there. But for now, you're gonna see me running one of those guys. Because Big Rock's down over there. This guy's down now. Down to those three. Alright, to the next one. See you later.